Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will discuss about pie charts in MatplotLib. Okay, a pie chart can only display one series of data, and pie chart shows the size of items in one data series. Okay, and the proportional to the sum of the items. So the data points in a pie chart are shown as a percentage of the whole pie. And in MatplotLib API has a pie function that generates a pie diagram representing data in an array. The fractional area of each edge is given by x by sum x. Okay. So here x work like as an array and labels a sequence of string provides the label of its edge. So let's go for the code, and here you see I import the MatplotLib library, and after that we need to import another library, numpy. Import numpy as np. So now I'll draw a figure, that's why fig equal plt. I draw a figure in respect to MatplotLib. Okay, that's why I import the MatplotLib as plt. That's why I write down here plt dot figure. And now define x is ax equal fig dot add x, and here I pass array 0 0 1 1. Okay, now x dot x is that is I pass a string equal, and now I need to define a value for, let's say I write down study materials equal, let's say I pass the parameter, I pass the value like book pen, and another one is, let's say, computer. Okay, and now I need to pass value, let's say count. Counts equal, here I have, let's say, 12 books, 4 columns, 4 pen, and 1 computer. And on the basis of this value, I'll draw the pie charts. Okay, so that's why ax dot pie, and here I'll pass the I'll pass the data variable. Okay, that's the study material, and another one is counts. I need to pass here counts and labels equal study material. Okay, now I need to show the plot, that's why plt dot show, and I will execute this shell. Okay, I write x. Okay, that's the thing, how you can draw pie charts in MatplotLib. So You will get the source code in my description box link. And thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.